After we've added you to our referral partner system, you should be able to log into your portal to refer people over to us. In order to do so, you can go to our website, incitestrategies.credit, and click on Client and Partner Login. This will take you to the portal login page. When we send you the email inviting you to work with us, you should have received a password in there. So that password and your email address will give you access to the affiliate portal. In this portal, you'll be able to see how many people you've sent to us, who you've sent to us, as well as which of them are clients. You'll be able to send us direct messages and upload documents to us. Unfortunately, at this time, we're not able to attach the documents to individual referrals, but if you put their name in here and give us some details and submit, we'll be able to receive that file. You will also be able to send us leads directly through this button up here. All that's required is the name and an email number, although we very, very strongly prefer to receive a phone number as well. You can also put notes in. We'd prefer it if, when you give us documents, you make note of it, like, that you make note of it. So, for example, credit report uploaded through portal. You can ignore these. These are just elements of the system that we use that are being shown on your end as well. But anything else that you do have would be useful for us. You can then submit and close, or submit and add another if you have multiple leads that you're trying to refer over our way. Generally, we do prefer for married couples to be submitted separately, just because it does simplify things in our system. From here, you'll be able to see activity as well, change your information. If you'd like to update the headshot that we've uploaded for you, you can put that here. An updated logo for your company here as well. And on the resources page, you can see a couple of the documents that we have that you can provide to people when needed.